Hi, welcome back. This is video number 3. What I'm going to cover now is your needles and yarn and your design. I've just started using the raffia needle, which is a flat needle, and it's used to do straw and raffia designs into woven projects. Let's see. And this is a number 13 yarn needle. I prefer both. It's up to you, whatever you're more comfortable with. They both work very well. There's a huge long needle that some weavers use. I'm not particularly fond of that, especially when you're doing short designs, because you're working with all that needle and you're doing like up and down patterns constantly. So you have a lot more to work with. So what you're going to do is select whatever needle you're going to use. You have marked your center, and you're going to start your design. You always start from the center of your project. This is one of the first things I do with my students when they come in. We do a simple table runner with tulips. It gives you a little bit of everything to try, the up and down, a split stitch, and various different techniques. I personally like variegated yarns, because as you can see, they become very colorful and there's not a lot of change. You can just continue to work. When you start from the center, when you determine your center design, you measure your yarn in lengths. So let's say we know that the first bead on this is only going to take one full length. So I would measure from end to end and give myself an inch or two, and then snip it here. Start from the center, and I'm weaving my first border. And I do the same for the sides if you're doing a table runner where you're going all the way around. For each, and in your pattern books, they'll tell you how many lengths of yarn you'll need, and it's measuring the entire area of the piece you're working on to determine your yarn. Once you've completed that, and we go to the back when you've put your whole design in, and we go to finish it, you're going to take those extra strands and you're going to weave them into the back side of the piece. So you're not going to see on the outside what you've done. This is a pillow we've made. We made a pillow sham, and most of your pillows you can work in the round design, just cutting your thread and going all the way around. This pattern is bows, and then we made an envelope pillow back to we slipped our pillow insert in there, and then you have a beautiful pillow. But this is more of an advanced design. I think that's it for now, and we're going to come back in a few minutes with video number 4.